It's a Sunday and I decided to take a trip out to Gojo-no-Hay, which is a little town about maybe 40 minutes west of Hachinohe. I was kind of like internally complaining to myself how hard it is to get around without like having a car or without like consistent or frequent buses and trains in the area. So I wanted to prove to myself that it is still possible to explore despite the fact that I don't have a car. I actually saw a poster that was advertising this specific horse meat culinary experience, a special package price if you come into the town using their buses. And so I thought it'd be like my calling to do this special bus package. I got my coupon from the bus driver and I found the restaurant already. There's already been like maybe 2 or 3 families going in, so I heard it was kind of a popular place. I'm gonna go check out the restaurant now. We have horse pizza and hamburgers, patties. So she just said that this is for the horse sashimi, and this is the sauce for the nabe. And there's the nabe. So the sashimi came out too. So I just finished my meal. So I had, you can choose between a set meal of like a nabe, which is like basically hot pot, and sashimi and rice, or some kind of like teppanyaki, like stir-fried horse meat with sashimi and rice. And so I chose the hot pot one, and let's say I liked the hot pot. It wasn't bad, but the sashimi I couldn't do. Like, I ate it all. I think like the texture just didn't really cut it for me. Like, it wasn't tender really. I mean, it was like quite stringy. So like the meat parts were like meat, but there's like these stringy ligaments or something that I couldn't get over. But the nabe was actually pretty good. I don't know, I guess the thing, like the reason why I wouldn't have it again is just because there's nothing about the flavor or the texture even that's like, oh my god, like I have to eat that again. It's not like it doesn't blow my socks off. It's like it doesn't taste bad. That's pretty much it. So the next bus comes around 3:15 and it's still only like 12 p.m. right now. So I have like 3 hours to kill. Yeah, there's not much else to do here. I think there's like a walking map to look at. There's some older buildings in like a sake brewery, I think maybe. So I might take a look at that. Look at all these apples. They look so good. So there's Fuji apples right there. They have a lot of different types. I don't know what this is. More Fuji. There's another apple type that's kind of famous in Aomori. Oh my gosh. I just came out of the sweets shop. And it's about 1:40 right now, and the next bus comes at 3:20, so I have like an hour and a half. And I know I said I was gonna like walk around the city, but it's honestly so cold and my boots are not the right ones, so I'm giving up because it's snowy out on the streets and I can't do this anymore. I'm not trying to like freeze my toes off today, so I just got some things from the sweets shop, and yeah, I'm just gonna wait here at the bus stop until 3:20. And a good thing I brought my Kindle and I brought my camera too, so I'm gonna try to take some pictures in here because look at the chairs, they're so cute. Hi! Super flashback to the future. I got a haircut recently and it's also definitely not winter anymore, but while I was editing this video like a couple months later, I realized I never really got to like say anything at the end, like have a real conclusion. So here I am filming this, but I just wanted to say that I hope you guys enjoyed going to eat horse meat with me. And I don't know, I just feel like as with anywhere, there's definitely like weird things that people eat. So like I come from a Chinese background and like we eat like rabbits, and I've had frog, and I'm sure there's like plenty of other weird things that I haven't even had before or heard about. And like yeah, we have horse meat in Hachinohe, and like at first I was definitely sort of like I don't know if I want to eat that, like it's a horse, but I thought I should give it a try. And I hope that you guys also keep an open mind that food is such a big part of a place's culture and their history. And you know what they say, don't knock on it until you try it. So I gave it a shot. It wasn't bad. February I had it another time and it was actually really good. So I think it depends on who's making it or where you have it. Horse meat, it's not bad, it's all right. But again, just keep an open mind, especially when you're traveling. I think you'll be surprised at how much you enjoy weird foods. Just be conscious of where your food is coming from and what you're putting into your bodies and what that means for the world around us, and I think you will be good to go. And stay adventurous. Bye.